Guys, welcome para sa atong third game, Pinay versus Bating, no? Ang left side naton nga bench iya sang Pinay with white and brown, dominant white color. Then right side naton ang Bating with white and red, dominant ang white color. So muna guys, no? Ang right side naton ang Bating. Then ang left side naton amo ang Pinay, no? Magluyo, magnibor malang ning duha ka team nga magampang subong, no? Bating, Pinay. Nagasulod na ang first five sang Bating. Getting ready naman ang first five sang Pinay. So ready na ang first five sang Bating. Ang first five sang Pinay gasulod. So getting ready for the jump ball. Bating versus Pinay, third game. So again guys, no, welcome to our third game, Bating versus Pinay. First shot tayo coming from Bating. First 2 points from Bating. Okay, another 2 points also. 2 points also. First 2 points of Pinay, no? Back to back shot by Botens. 3 point natin by Bating. No good. PJ Rupino Lonas, thank you so much for watching and for joining our live coverage. Thank you so much. Shout out to you, PJ Rupino. It's a second deadlock of the game for all.
Pass to the
No good. First 3-point of the game from Batin. James Carl Visayas, once again, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you, James. Salamat sa padayon ng paglantaw kag pagsuporta sa aton live coverage. Another 2 points for Batin. The score now is another deadlock of the game, 9-all. Pareho liwat ang score, pang third deadlock of the game na ni. Time out, Batin. Uy, time out. Time out. Ano time out?
Last turn pa rin.
Uy, last na tumato na time out pa.
Si Irene. Irene.
So this is the first quarter with 4 minutes and 18 seconds. 4 minutes and 18 seconds in the first quarter, 9-all. Another 2 points for Bating. Score now is 13-9. Bating now is leading. 13 Bating. 9 ang Pinay. Reverse shot. Good. Another 2 points for Pinay. Plus 1 bonus shot. G. Lopez ang gampang Pinay versus Bating, no? Pinay versus Bating, magkalapit gid nga barangay. Diri sa north side nga parte sang aton Banwa ang Bating versus Pinay. Another 2 points for Bating, making the score 50 now.
Pasensya ka ni Mama.
Crisanto Lisada, thank you so much, Chris, for the continuous watching and supporting our live coverage. Salamat sa padayon na paglantaw, Chris. Shout out to you. 3 points for Bating. Courtesy of who is that? Number 1, no? Jersey number 1 ng Bating. Cirilo daw, Cirilo.
Basketball. Foul number 71. Substitution. 23.
Kulang ikaw isa yung ka-player.
Bonus shot. Complete.
Oh, may dua pa ka game gidayon na no. Ken, may dua pa ka game, Ken. Pang third game pa lang ni, third game. May dua pa ka game after this.
Kita lihat dari team